Hello my beauties, I would love to show you how to use Anoint oil. This special oil has been specifically formulated to boost hair growth. It's full of vitamin D and antioxidants that are great for nourishing and stimulating the scalp. It's a wonderful rich oil like this. This oil is completely organic and 100% natural, formulated specifically to cater for dry hair types. You are going to love using this oil. All you have to do is apply it directly to your scalp like so. I love to apply all over my scalp and massage it in, focusing on any problem areas you might have. So if you wanted to regrow your edges, you would just focus on that area. You want to massage and stimulate blood flow. It feels like I'm in a hair spa, guys, because it smells so good. The best quality, I would highly recommend it. Definitely 5 stars.